We're having bonding time with the wife. She told me that she can take the muffler off for me. Well, the header pipe. She's doing good so far. Coming off the head, that was 12 millimeter bolts. I used a deep weld socket, and then the O2 sensor is a 17 millimeter. There you go, doesn't matter. They're loose, and you get the head bolts off. You should just be able to manhandle this thing. Get it out of there. There should be a gasket in here. I'm not sure if it fell out. Yeah. You have a little, it's just a copper gasket that goes in there. Don't lose that. Alright, now I'm gonna be, this is your catalytic converter. It's having to do with the emissions on this bike. I don't even have emissions here, so I'm getting this out of here because I'm tired of riding. I'll ride to town and I can feel every bit of heat coming off of this onto my leg whenever I'm going down the road. So I'm just gonna mark me a line across here so I can keep it lined up how it should be. And I'm gonna cut a circle through the center of these two welds here all the way around, and I'm gonna pull it apart and pull the catalytic converter out. I mean, you could go through the end here and bust it out, but it's not like a catalytic converter in a vehicle. This is mostly made of steel from what I can tell. My buddy had a Hawk. It was a Hawk 250 2025 model, and we busted his out, and it took us like 3 hours to drill it out, get all the insides out and pull it. And I'm just not doing that. Not when I have a welder behind me here and I can just cut this in half and snatch it out and weld it back together. Alright, so I could cut this multiple ways. I could come to the inside to where it's going to be facing the engine, and I could cut a line across here and do like an H pattern, and I could pull that catalytic converter piece out. But I really don't care. If it's going to be a lot easier for me just to cut a line all the way around the diameter of this pipe in the center, pull it apart, pull the catalytic converter out, and I have this Sharpie line to line it back up. I just put it back on there, weld it all the way around, and then I shouldn't have no issue. And I don't care if it rusts. This is a stainless steel pipe, but I mean, I'm gonna use mild steel MIG wire to put it back together. It'll be fine. It ain't gonna look too bad. But if you wanted it to look better, you could just cut an H pattern in this backside and pull out with the catalytic converter. Alright, got it cut all the way around. It's not as easy to separate as I thought. I got a screwdriver in here and I'm getting movement now. It's pretty much a pipe inside of a pipe, and I'm just trying to spread them apart with that thing. Yes, sir. But we got movement now. Alright, half of the catalytic converter's out now. Do that again. Hold on. Hit it. That thing empty, boy.
It has same with the catalytic converter out.
Ready to breathe. Alright, so after cutting this apart, it seems that this is just an add-on pipe here. You can cut it back at this weld here and let all that fall loose, and you'll just have this diameter pipe. If you have another pipe this diameter, you run it from the front. You run it from the front to the back of this section here, from this weld to this one up here, and just straight pipe it. And the centerpiece will fall out. All right, we got everything out. I got a piece of angle iron, dropped both pieces of pipe in it, lined it back up with my Sharpie line I drew. I'm gonna tack it in 4 places all the way around, weld it up, put it back on the bike. It's not the most beautiful thing I've ever welded, but it's solid. All right, got the pipe back on. Tighten up the 2 nuts to the head. Got it back in. I put the O2 sensor back on, and then we'll crank this unit. Unit installed. Let's crank her, see what happens. See if she sounds any different. It is definitely a lot louder. It revs up quick. All right, first test run. Oh yeah, that thing has a hell of a lot more torque. I just tell from how it feels. That son of a bitch is something serious now. And we got backfiring now. Oh yeah. Hey, the amount of bottom end it's got now, it's something serious. That joker ain't playing. Diesel, what you doing? Oh, well, you got a pipe in your face. Oh.